Okay, goat. Okay, ladies, look. Don't worry, Wellington. Come on. Come on, ladies. Wellington, where? Wellington, no. No. Hey, Jane. Who's a good girl, Jane? Who's a good girl? Who's a good girl? Hey, Chucks. Chucksy. Hey, Lexi. Chucksy. Hey. Okay. Hey, Curry. Down. Good boy, Curry. Down. There's Remy. Lexi. Gracie. Good old Cora. Mystic. There's Mystic right there. Mystic. Gracie. Remy. Come on, Chachi. Marlo. Here, Azar. I got a ball for you, Azar. There's Buddy. Okay, when they're cold, they're hard. PJ. And come. Gracie. Curry. Hey, Mackie. Hey, looks like a dog.
Hi. Salva. Smash you. Come here, Chachi. What's the matter? Chachi. What are you doing, crazy dog? Murphy! Drop it. Pancho! 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 Hey, Pancho! Come on, Pancho! Pancho, come! Pancho! What's that? What's that? Pancho! Come here, Pancho. Come here, baby.
Who's a good boy, Curry? Sadie. Gracie. Who's a good girl? Ruby. Hey, stand. Marlo. Jackson. Hey, Ruby. There's Scooter. He's getting the shade. PJ's not really supposed to be here. I mean, PJ's is, but Peanut's not. Solo. Ruby. Who's a good dog, Ruby? Who's a good girl? Who's a good girl? Theo. Stan, I mean. Marlo. Azar. Oh, you can see Azar. There you go. Azar and Marlo. Django. Hey, Django. Jack is up for adoption, actually. This is a thing I've been meaning to post. But Jack needs to be in a house with 2 dogs because he gets separation anxiety if he's alone and he breaks out of his crate. This is what they told me. He's about 8 years old. Here, Jack, come here. Jack, he's a very sweet dog. His only thing is he kind of wrecked some furniture. Hey, Jack. But he didn't do it when they lived in Israel. When they moved to Brooklyn, they did it. Hey, Jack! Jack! Come here! Hey, Jack! Hey, Jack! He got out of the crate and he wrecked some doors and stuff. And he seemed to have separation anxiety and he wouldn't stay in the crate. But here, he's been totally fine. And as soon as he had another dog, he didn't have separation anxiety. Right, Jack? Hey, Jack. He's in perfect health. Hey! No squabbling. Come! Chucks! Over here! Hi, Gracie. Chucks, come here. He's a good boy, Chucksy. Go home, Wellington. Come on.